And welcome back again, guys. It's another episode of EJ Show, and it's about day 24. I think it's about 24 of EJ Show, English to English Show, and it's something very what? It's being it's a continuous process, and we are on the way, and we are just moving to the first segment, that is vocabulary bank. And so after some days, and I am back again with some new vocabulary. And thank you all, guys. And at the afternoon section, the, where I got some new vocabulary, and for the next continuous for 2 3 episodes, would introduce some more vocabulary, and it's nice. And we will look over the first three words of today's episode, and it's about what I am using the flashcards and some new vocabulary, and be listen and focus on the vocabulary. And the first word is no nonchalant. 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 Not caring or cool guy. And the next word is assimilate. 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 And the meaning is become similar. And the third word for the day is hinders. And the meaning, it means that stops or prevents. Hinders. 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 And that's all for the day, and we are winding the first segment, that is vocabulary bank, and we are still moving to the next segment, which is open fire. And I am curious about presenting what the yesterday's result, that I already been told to you all, guys, that I taken a preparation of a recipe which is the making of parota, and it's about 1 kg of flour. That yesterday I am experiment on that 1 kg flour, and it's completely a what a win-win situation, and it's a win situation. And I am completely convey my gratitude towards you all, guys, because at the initial stage to still till now, you all guys been uh, what being what immensely give or intangibly give that much support without any what direct permission or something like that. And it's something which I loved so much. And yesterday it's some lack is happening in some sugar content, and it's been something which little bit more added of sugar, and we want to, or I want to consider it in the next preparation as well, so that I can clear that what defects as well. And that's all. And also lacking some salt content, and that's a two defaults that have been told by my younger brothers. And that's all. And it's smooth and what so smooth and soft for the what appetizer. And it's something which I really love to do while I have that much what curious about things that have not been done by any common people. And I am much interested in doing that, like that uh, activities. So I am mostly looking forward to carry that kind of activities in my entire life. And I'm looking forward to do that much activities only in my life, so that I will be happier in much more in a better way as well. So I will do as much activities in front of me, and it's not a barrier or something obstacle towards me. And it's been a completely completely an enjoying moment, and we are just looking forward to get that much activity in my entire life. So I just want to prove myself that I am a competitive opponent to every other, as well as myself as well, and I am also competing with myself. So I want to cross over the standard that I am put over it, and I just want to cross it. And every day I am making a limit that I want to overcome, or I want to work over that, and then only I will be an improved personal. So I am always looking forward to that, and just want to what complete each task with that much enthusiasm, with its initial stage to the final stage as well. So I don't want to get bored during that process. So I'm just looking forward to that uh, entire process. So it's something like that activity will be what made me interested. So I want to do things which is not can be possible to do. So I am looking over to that much, that kind of activities in my entire life. So I am really enjoy when taking risk in my life. So I don't have to give my entire life on a casual way or something in an ordinary manner. I don't like that way of living. So I just want to what live like a risk taker, and don't, not in a gambling way, but has to take some risk element in my entire life. At the last breath of my life as well, I want to take that much risk in my life. So I don't know whether I would live uh, up to 90 or 80, etc., etc., but I'm still love to do activities which are not interested to do by any common people, and I'm just want to take risk in my life, in my entire life. And also I want to drag any of my family members into this, and I just want to do as much activities which what make me that much happier, or want to worry for that activity for so many minutes or so many hours, etc. And that's the result that I want to spend that much time to overcome or overdo that activity, and just do I just want to do it with full hearted, and I don't bother about the results or something like that, or success something. It's on the second party or the third party that judge the success or the failure, and I don't want to judge it with any success element or any failure element. So I just want to do and want to be more happier in my entire life, and I am not bothering about anything else. So but something which is being a vital is that the family relationship, it's been tied with my both ends. So I don't know whether I can do what I totally want to do in my entire life. So I can do, I don't know why, whether I can do it in a proper way or not, but I am trusting myself, and I have faith in the holy what the power superpower, and I just want to make sure that I can be possible to achieve all my goals in my entire life, and I will make sure that what I really want to be competitive to the last breath of my life, and can whether it is possible or not, but am completely onto it, and now I can't do anything, but it's been a what obstacle, or I am being struggling for some more months, and currently I am struggling with some elements or what some effects or events or circumstances where I want to I can't do anything but only by staying within my home, and I want to overcome, or I want to overdo, or I want to over and over the current scenario. So I'm just looking forward to do whatever I like, and most effectively I want to be an enthusiasm. I want to enjoy the entire life with enthusiasm. So I'm just briefing it up, and just want to make sure that you all want to enjoy your life without any expectation, and you will be that much happier in your entire life, and you can do whatever you like, and do it with full hearted, and you will get that much happiness. And that's all, the happiness, the moment you created by your thoughts, and fulfilling that thoughts in a 100% way, in your way, that will make you happier in your life, and to do the same process in your entire life, not the same task, but that way of thoughts, that being created in your mind, it's unique, and you want to develop it in a it from its initial stage to its completion stage. And you are the what you are the creator of your thoughts, and you want to be the designer and executor of your thoughts as well. So you want to don't want to judge at any of its stage, do it, that's all. And we are just briefing, and we are winding up, and it's about day 24 of EJ show, English show, and here Jidin signing off. Bye bye, tata.